We have finally arrived at the month of May, and that's reason enough to celebrate. Hold on, Mama.
It certainly is. Today we are partnering with Craftsy, an NBC Universal company, to create some unique sweet treats.
Pastry chef and renowned cake designer Joshua John Russell teaches online classes on his Craftsy show, Man About Cake, and he's going to show us some easy tricks to sweeten up your spring and summer celebrations.
Look at you, you creative thing.
Super easy. So all this stuff you can buy at your local grocery store. Okay. So Drippy Cakes are super in right now. This is just, isn't that cool?
It's called the Drippy Cake?
The Drippy Cake.
It.
So I have some store-bought icing that we've just heated up, right?
All right.
And it acts like ganache. So we add a little bit of food coloring.
Okay.
And we will whisk that. You guys get it. And then I put it into squeeze bottles. You could use it out here with a spoon, but the squeeze bottles make it so easy.
So what do you
so all you do, yeah, if you guys want to help, all you do is just squeeze. Shake it a little bit. Oh, no, shake it on the cake. Maybe we should have had aprons. Did you get
no, I didn't get the no.
Okay, sorry, I meant shake it on the cake like this.
Why are you shaking it like that?
Oh, because then it drips down.
Yeah, so then it drips down. And then you just alternate colors.
Gotcha. Oh, now I'm into it. Okay.
This one's a little thick.
I'm liking it. It's fun. Oh my gosh, it's fun.
I love it.
Isn't it fun?
Yeah.
So then once you cover the whole thing, it looks like that. And that you can celebrate anything with that. Mother's Day's coming up, celebrate May Day.
So this is just pound cake you bought in a store and you just...
That's really, and the kids could help you.
And my thing is that if you changed it a little bit, it's homemade, right?
Yes, I agree.
This is going to be for any of you sprinkle hoarders out there that have lots of just empty, half-empty things of sprinkles. Your kids. So the trend is graffiti sprinkles. So you mix them all together.
Oh.
You gonna help me? Put
All of it.
This is an aggressive amount of sprinkles, but I'm happy.
Wow.
Okay.
So we mix them all. I'm gonna do it with my hands. Everything. Put it in there.
I love it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. And then what?
So store-bought cookie dough, right? So you want to roll the entire thing.
Oh, before you cook it.
Before you bake it.
Okay.
And here's the trick for any cookies.
How are you getting it to here? You just got to keep at it.
It's sticky, yeah. So I push down a little bit of sea salt. On any cookie.
Yes, just because you don't want it too freaking sweet.
Here, Kath, you want to try
So
it?
you could do it in a big form and take it to work like this. Try that.
Okay.
Sprinkles make everything better. But the fleur de sel will bring out the flavor of pastry like it does savory.
Take us around the back.
So we're doing ice cream cones over here. So this is cake pop dough shoved into an ice cream cone. That's just cake that you mix with icing, right? So it's like the things that you put on a stick and dip.
So you mixed these two up and smashed it in there?
Smashed it in there. It's like an easy cupcake. And then we're just going to pipe some icing.
I've never seen Hoda so involved in a cooking segment.
I love it. Totally my wheelhouse.
I love it.
And what is that?
This is just icing from the store. We're going to pipe onto our cupcake. Like that. You guys want to try it?
Okay.
She's like, okay, maybe.
And then you just dunk it in chocolate?
Yeah, so then you freeze it, so it's hard.
Freeze it.
Yes, so it doesn't fall off. And then you dip it in. This is mirror glaze, which is super trendy right now.
Okay. And that's it?
And then we'll cover this in the same graffiti sprinkles.
Okay, cool. How beautiful. And down here at the very end?
Down here. You're supposed to do the frozen ones. It's okay.
Oh,
it's okay. So this is a Doodle cake and Doodle cookies.
Oh,
so
fun.
you just realize these are edible markers. So look, you can just, look, I did a fried egg.
Okay.
You draw whatever you want.
Oh, this is so
Let's do a
fun.
fried egg. So this is something that's cool that you can sort of prep. Look at her go over there. That looks awesome. You can
She
prep,
does. We both do the same one all the time.
And then your kids can, they can do it with you. I want to see what you're drawing over there. I got to see what you're drawing over there. Hey, that's really good, Hoda.
It's my same guy.
Wow.
I want to do my
I draw the same guy.
You guys are like
Kath's
artists.
Cute. All right, well, this is awesome. Kat's going to show hers in just a second, but thank you. This was all fun.
No, I just do a little face.
Look at Kat.
A little chilly
I'm
face.
so proud.
Yes, it's so cute.
Big lips.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, is there a knife? I'm gonna cut this.
Pleasure. For the full cake cone tutorial and more of Joshua's lessons, go to craftsy.com.